right now. It's take me like bomb. Heart can speak so God. Splash on my way.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? And I am very excited for today's video because this is actually kind of a challenge. So a colleague of mine made these samosas at work and I really liked them. So I decided to, recreate them at home. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment in the comment section. So this is the things that you're going to need. So let's get right into the video. First things first, you want to cook your eggs, and when they're ready, and then you're going to cut them into fine pieces like I did here in the video. So please just watch what I did. So now that you're done with the eggs, you're going to add the tuna fish. This one I got it from the store and it's the tuna in olive oil and it comes in a tin packaging. And now you're going to add the vegetables. I used carrots and peas, green peas. I feel like green peas and carrots is a great combination, that's why I decided to use them. And now you want to mix them thoroughly together, the eggs, the tuna and the vegetables. So the vegetables I used are already cooked. They are not raw, everything is already cooked. So we are going to mix that and also try to break down the carrots so that they are not, too big. So now you can add your own preferred seasoning. I used dried coriander leaves and I also added a half teaspoon of salt to give it some taste. And I kept it a little bit minimal because I didn't want to do too much. And finally I added just black pepper and that was it. But you can feel free to add your favorite spicings or seasonings, whatever you want. And now we're going to mix and mix everything together. So this is the stuffing, so you need to make sure you mix it very well. You don't want to eat one samosa and it's tasty and another samosa is not tasty. Ew. So make sure everything is well mixed. So now our stuffing is ready. You want to put that to the side. So I got my pastry sheets from Albertine, but I'm sure you can get them from any store around you, any grocery store. So I cut mine into triangles like that because I don't want the samosa to be so big, and I find that size reasonable. And what I do is I first cut all the sheets, all of them, put them aside, and then I start wrapping my samosas one by one. So we're going to start stuffing our pastry sheets. and because I was doing it for the first time, I got some trouble in the beginning, but I finally got the hang of it. But what I would advise is to first close up one of the ends. You see how I fold it into another triangle? You're going to see how I fold it into another triangle. So this is the part I advise that you first fold it into a triangle and close up one end, and then you fill the other end and then close up the end as well. So just keep watching and then you'll see how I did it along the way. So now you want to put all your pieces on an oven tray that has been layered with baking paper. So that is what I did, and here I'm just arranging them so that they can cook well in the oven. And then I decided to coat them with a little bit of butter. I don't know, I just thought maybe that it would make them look nice or taste better. I just know butter makes everything taste better. So this was just it was just a personal thought. Now we're going to put this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes, and we'll be right back. Well, 15 minutes went by so fast, but anyways, here we are. The samosas are ready to serve, ready to eat. They look so nice, although I would recommend to give them some time to cool down before you eat them, because that stuffing inside can be hot and it takes some time to actually cool down. You can serve the samosas as a snack, or you can serve them at breakfast, and if you keep them in the fridge you can also have them the next day, so don't worry about making too many. And one thing I should say for sure is that I find these ones better than the ones that are dipped in oil, because I feel like these are a more healthier version, and they are also less hassle. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All the information, by the way, will be in the description box below. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you can be able to be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, guys, stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah.